This is Carmine from Carmine's Import Service. I'm here to give you an update. We are open for business and continue to be open for business. We got a full staff. We have not let anybody go. All of the team is still here. We actually brought another team member back on that was with us prior. He went back to school, and now he's back with us, helping us out because of the extra services we're offering and the influx of pickups and drop-offs, and we're also offering some senior citizen grocery delivery services and whatnot. So there's a lot going on here. Dylan and Stuart up front, here to serve you. Technicians here to serve you. Everybody really A+. Keeping the facility clean. Hand sanitizing machines everywhere. We got Healthy Clean Soap Purell stations installed in bathrooms. We got a drop box out front, of course. We've always had many of these things. We're just kind of increasing, the capacity and the volume to accommodate. So we can deliver loaners, we can pick up the car, we can drop off the car. You could view repairs and maintenance recommendations remotely. You could pay remotely. We have text pay, we have text display, we have text estimates, we have text everything. If you don't prefer that, we can do it the email way. We can do it in person with the distancing. We can do it any way you would like. So if you need something done, just don't hesitate to call or text us. Everything, all the information is on our website. The text number is 515-6303. That's 336-515-6303. And if you want to call us, it's 336-993-5506. You're going to get a real person. You are not going to get an automated answering service. You will get a real person. So give us a call. I'll be glad to help. I also encourage you tonight, tomorrow night, even over the weekend, instead of cooking at home, maybe go out and give the local restaurants some business. Go get some takeout and bring it home and eat it, and patronize some of the local restaurants, and that will help them out and help make sure that they can stay afloat and stay in business as well. It's really important that we take care of everybody and get through this, because we're going to want them here, and we're going to want their food when this is all over with, and the good services that they offer. So I really encourage you to go out there and support the other businesses. I know people want to stay at home, and that is the order, and for the most part, but you can go out and get your food. It doesn't mean you can't go out and get your food. It doesn't mean you can't go out and drop your car off for service, or go for a ride at night and enjoy the fresh air. So cabin fever, they call it. You don't want to stay in the house and just get stagnant. So you also don't want to go out and get sick in a grocery store. So I do encourage you to wear masks and whatnot as needed, and follow the government procedures and guidelines. But I hope everybody has a great night, and we'll give you another update soon. Okay? Thanks a lot.